On this video, I'm going to show you how I got my first 200 subscribers using YouTube advertising. Hey, what's up guys? So on this channel we do everything from real estate, filmmaking, marketing. So if you're new to this channel and this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. I'm also going to be giving you an up-to-date version of this every month. So if you guys want to see how this advertising has been helping my channel, go ahead and click subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on next month, because I'm going to keep giving you guys updates to show you guys how this marketing and this method has been helping me grow my channel. All right, I'm going to show you guys how we got our first 200 subscribers using this method. Now, if you guys want to see how this YouTube marketing, how I create these ads and stuff, I did create a video last week, this one right over here, and I'll leave a link in the description as well as the cards up top. All right, so I started keeping track of a lot of things that I was doing here in January. And when we first started out, we only had about 4,000 views a month, and we were getting very low traffic. As I started using this method, you'll see in February that our views started increasing. Same thing in March. When we got into April was where I really started seeing a huge dramatic increase. I got a message right from YouTube that said, hey, your ads are giving you about 65% more views. So I'm like, okay. So we start watching. You can see here from beginning of January where we're only getting about 4,000, 5,000 views. Starting in April, we started getting like 13,000 views. You can see our subscriber count is up 11. And same thing with our watch time hours. Now as we move down here in April 3rd, April 10th, you can see it's still increased. April 15th, same thing. Now we're increasing to 17,000 views. Our watch time hours like doubled. So did our subscribers. And it just keeps going. So every week I started doing it just in one day. As you can see from from April 15th to April 16th, you could just see the difference in views and watch time hours. It just jumped in like another 1,000 just in one day. All right, so we got here, and then once we got down here, once we started getting towards the end of the month, or just our view channel is up. Right here, April 23rd, you can see now we're up to like 20K views a month, or watch time hours up. The subscriber base, we have 19 subscribers that we got so far. And then finally today, April 27th, here we are with 20K views a month. Our watch time is like 386, 26 subscribers. So we increased in just 1 month's time. It's amazing how much growth has happened in just 1 month. Now, if I take you inside the YouTube platform, if we go to basically analytics, and here what you'll find is on the right-hand side, you'll see in the last 48 hours which videos have been performing the best. And this is the video I was telling you guys about. If you guys want to see the type of ads that I create, go ahead and watch this video. Here's one of our recent videos here. This is what just done, I think, a couple days ago. So there's not much stats on this left, but if you look down here on the bottom, you'll notice where a lot of the traffic is coming from, and you'll see the YouTube advertising is about 33%, and then you have the YouTube search and the channel pages external and all the rest of them. Down over here, you'll see the audience retention. This has about a 55% audience retention. So to me, as long as I'm above 50, I think that's really good, because you're getting people to watch at least half of your video, and that's always a good thing. And then if you just click on reach, it's going to break down exactly where all your traffic is coming from. And you can see there's also external, because I have a lot of traffic coming from my blogs and everything else. So this breaks down basically everything you need to know, where your traffic is coming from. And there's not enough data here right now for search, because I just recently uploaded this about a day or so. Let me just show you another video. What I want to show you about this is basically YouTube search. So when I actually go ahead and focus on my advertising, a lot of things is, yes, I do use the ads to drive traffic and views to my videos, but at the same time, I'm also optimizing for, keywords. That's very important, especially if you're a new channel. You always want to optimize for keywords. And this right here, B-roll, is what the keyword that I was actually optimizing for. And you can see here in the actual thumbnail, it's a nice little attractive thumbnail. It grabs your eye, and the one thing that sticks out is B-roll. So you can see here, B-roll is starting to bring a lot of traffic to this video, and that's what I wanted. That's one thing you guys want to definitely focus on, is definitely the keywords when it's new. Another thing you want to look at is your audience retention. It's also going to break down here. You'll see here, like this specific video right here, like I mentioned before, the B-roll keyword, obviously this is getting a lot more organic traffic than actual paid ads. You see the red is the paid ads, while the blue is the organic traffic. 30% of it is coming from those keywords. This is organic traffic that is coming from, and you'll get to see here with the audience retention is where people are actually dropping off. If you see spikes like this, it's usually because a lot of times what they'll do is they'll skip to one section. So they might be skipping here to one section, and this is why you see sometimes these like little spikes, is because people are actually like skipping to that different part of the video. Basically, this is getting a lot of organic traffic. Now, I want to come here to my ads section here, and I want to show you, this is the video right here that's highlighted is the one that's bringing the traffic. Now, I have this set on very low. Generally, I do anything from like 25 cents all the way up to $1. Just depends on how much I want to really promote that video. And this one right here is brought me about 2,500 impressions, and out of that impressions, it only cost me 77 cents. I mean, to me, that's just great. It brought 15 people to 15 clicks, which went to my website. Same time I have on my website, I have my Facebook pixel, I got my Google pixel, so I can actually retarget these people as well. So to me, honestly, at the end of the day, I got some really good, cheap impressions to my video, and that's all that matters. So now if you guys want to see more and how we create these ads, go ahead and just let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and I'll create some videos on it. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys real quick a brief update of what's been going on, how these ads have been working, how they've been helping us bring more views to our channel, subscribers, and all that. So I'll catch you guys on my next clip. Alright guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace!